We had the best day ever. Ireland is such a beautiful country, and you really get to see that beauty in a different way on the water. I had never been in a canoe or a kayak before. But Steve is such a great host and instructor, and help is always at hand if you get stuck. What's really great about canoeing is that it's something the whole family can do together. It's a real bonding activity. It's great to get everyone together for the day, enjoying each other's company, enjoying the wildlife. Or you could do it with a bunch of friends. Or you can even just do it on your own if you fancy some quiet time. Some of the scenery from the River Blackwater is just incredible. We went past historic buildings that you'd never see from anywhere else. Everything looks different when you're on the water. And you're always under the constant gaze of Irish wildlife. If you're lucky, you may even see otters. We got to see herons, egrets, and all sorts of other wildlife. But be prepared to get a little wet, especially if you're anything like our lot. I never knew water fights could be so much fun. It's all over, a quick group photo, and then it's picnic time. Call Steve today. It's the most fun you'll ever have.